Hi everyone. So this is a geography optional crash course and test series launch announcement. जदि देखिबो crash course कहीं ना बहुत गुडा classes भी रहिबो. For example, if you look in the screen, perspective पिला मानको पय difficult हुए usually. So I will take classes on that. Perspective रो जति कि isms अछि, aerial differentiation हेगला, regional synthesis, humanism, environmentalism, radicalism, welfareism, complete classes रहिबो. Okay. And then if you look at economic geography रे जहाँ model अच्छे limits to growth model हेगला कि अन्य whatever the models are there and the recent updates about those models. Okay, ता ऊपर question रहेगा. So I will be including or integrating dynamic aspect into that. So economic geography will take some classes. Our industrial location theory जहाँ अच्छी classes नेबी. So model ऊपर classes होगा. Population geography रे what we'll do is look at we'll look at take world population prospect and तार gist कौन what are the things we can use. Say the geography of population or demography, how it is changing, how it was in the past. I mean, what we will be discussing is past, present, and future. The the geographical shift of demography that we will discuss. Okay. Then settlement geography model जहाँ अच्छी crystal और CPD model हेगला, primate city rank size rule हेगला कि rural urban fringe, satellite town, problems of urbanization, some interesting and dynamic aspect with case study. I will give give in the classes so that तमें answer लिखला बड़े you can integrate those things and make your answer stand out. Okay. And regional planning जदि देखिबो plannings for sustainable development, that is a very dicey, I mean confusing for the students, but I'll give the how to write a geographical answer to sustainable development and how to integrate regional planning into sustainable development. Okay, that we'll discuss in depth in the classes. Apart from that, Rostow's models of stages of growth तो अच्छी सेटा classes हबो, हला जहाँ highlighted अच्छी I'll take classes on that. And human geography is very important. कहीं ना last year यदि question देखिबो 20 marker question came from human geography. Okay. Then we'll go to physical geography. Now physical geography रे couple of classes नेबी. Geomorphology is little bit difficult. Usually student मानक पे difficult हुए, but I'll take classes on that. जब Davis Peng तो obviously landforms उड़ा classes नेबी. And then polycyclic landform हेगला कि अन्य wherever you find difficulty, let me know. I'll take classes on that. So geomorphology ऊपर classes होगा. Climatology, if you see monsoon and jet stream पिला माने बुझी थांती, but then again nobody understands it completely. It is a very complex theory. I will try to simplify that the best possible way so that you can write an answer to monsoon and jet stream and get a very good mark from that particular question. So monsoon ऊपर classes रहिबो, climate change ऊपर dynamic aspect integrate करिके class रहिबो. जदि oceanography देखिबो, oceanography प्राय static part, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean तापर test रहिबो. And I will tell जदि किसी दरकार पड़ला I will explain those things. Apart from that, coral reefs रो dynamic aspect जहाँ भी अच्छी, coral bleaching throughout the world होची, the reports associated with it, जहाँ भी some dynamic aspect are there as far as oceanography is concerned. Through one class I will try to integrate that into our into our lecture. Okay. Oceanography हेगला. Then biogeography mostly biogeographical realms, the distribution of fauna and flora across the world. यही part गुड़ा classes नेबी मो, है ना? And environmental geography जब देखिबो, when I will take climate change, I will take the say environmental geography of global warming ताको integrate करिए classes नहीं जीवी, including biodiversity and other aspects. कहेंगे ना climate change, global warming is a very generic concept, right? How as a geography student we have to write an answer to this particular questions from a geographical aspect, and what are the geographers names we can integrate into answering these questions. So those aspects I will be discussing in the classes. So that is all about say paper 1. Paper 2 जो देखिए geography of India. Okay. Geography of India प्राय static part अच्छी in the sense कि drainage system हेगला, relief हेगला, these are pretty easy chapters to cover. But geography of India रा जति को dynamic aspect अच्छी जो तो question प्राय आसुचे, those are the things I will cover through test. Apart from that, I will take up some classes on how to write a very integrative, very interesting answer to geography of India questions. Okay. And how to give the case study or what are the case study we can integrate in our answers, and how to approach a particular question. So geography of India is more like a little bit analytical paper, and little bit we can bring in a lot of dynamic aspect and integrate into that. So geography of India paper I will take classes on content enrichment, how to make our answer stand out, how to make our answer sound more geographic in nature. कहीं ना geography of India the question गुड़ा देखियो they sound similar to GS paper. So how to make it a geographical answer. दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन द जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया रो जहाँ भी क्लासेस नेबी अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टेस्ट सीरीज रहिबो ओके आई विल स्टार्ट विथ इंडियन जियोग्राफी टेस्ट सीरीज ओके एंड साइमल्टेनियसली क्लासेस भी चलिबो पर्सपेक्टिव रो विल स्टार्ट विथ पर्सपेक्टिव एंड देन विल गो ऑन सो कंप्लीट शेड्यूल तो शेयर हो सून एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स और एनीथिंग लेट मी नो एंड थैंक यू